Uy man, diba kayo may kailangan tayong gawing vlog?
Oo nga, ano?
Ano ba yan?
Hirap na eh.
Sige man, buhanin ka na camera.
Uy man, di ba kailangan English?
Oo nga, ano? Sige, sige.
Paano ba gagawin natin, man?
Hindi ko alam eh. Tara, kain muna tayo.
Sige, tara nga.
So, Andrei.
Nagsas kalabasa. Kain tayo. I wonder kung paano natin gagawin yung vlog. Here we are today to talk about lipids.
Why nugget?
Man, because since this is cooked in oil, it can be considered that it contains some lipids. Do you want me to show more examples of lipids too?
What are lipids?
Well, that's what we're going to find out. So here we are at the MCI where it is to get our friend Gorospe as our other group member. So we can join him in our vlog.
Yeah.
So here we are. Yusuke.
Yusuke.
Yusuke. Yusuke.
Yusuke, we're here.
Where are you? Wait a minute.
Oh.
It's Yusuke's. There he is. So now that we have Yusuke with us, we will now see what other lipids we can find in the public market in Kamani. So now here we are. Since we weren't really allowed to enter the public market because it was too noisy and it wasn't the proper environment for vlogging, we were just going to find another food that involved lipids in them. So now here we are at Sayan, Baliwag. So now that we have obtained our sample product, we'll go on to knowing what lipids are. Let's just have a change of environment. 1, 2. So now we'll start about the informative side of the video about lipids.
Yeah.
So from now we will start to give our first objectives in the video. We didn't do it properly. So now we will start the informative side of our vlog, informing you about lipids, and here's Enzo to give the objectives and goals in our video.
So the first one is to determine what is a biomolecule, what are lipids, what are the 4 types of lipids, and what are the functions and importance of each lipid.
So there you have it. Now let's start and begin with number 1.
So what are biomolecules? Biomolecules are molecules that usually occur in living organisms. Examples are protein, nucleic acids, carbohydrates, and lipids.
Lipids are biomolecules that are found in living things. Some characteristics of lipids is that they may be oily or even waxy. Some sources of lipids may come from algae, seeds, meat, butter, cheese, and even fish. Some functions of lipids may be an energy saver, an insulation for heat, a form of protection, and play a big part in our cell membranes. Now let us move on to the different types of lipids.
Now back to the vlog.
Okay, so right now it's already 9 p.m. But in Nevesia it's currently 3 a.m. Jamil. So, anyways, so for the different types of Lipids, we weren't really able to call Aldrich, our other group members, because he is sick right now. So for the vlog, we will find another way for him to be able to cooperate and participate, and in order to give him a part in this vlog. So for me and him to have a part in this vlog, we'll give him a call and let him explain the first type of lipids.
Hello? You want me to search about triglycerides? Okay, wait.
Let's take a closer look at the category of lipids known as triglycerides. Triglycerides include the fats and oils. Fats, such as lard and butter, are solid at room temperature and are used by animals for insulation, protection, and long-term energy storage. Oils, such as corn oil and olive oil, are liquid at room temperature and are used by plants for long-term energy storage.
Let's talk about the second group of lipids, phospholipids, or also known as membrane lipids. Phospholipids are a major component in everyone's cell membrane. They can form layers of biolipids because of their amphiphilic structures. The structure of phospholipids generally consists of two hydrophobic tails, or also known as fatty acids, and a hydrophilic head, which consists of a phosphate group. So why is it very important? Phospholipids make up the outermost layer of all cells in our body. It helps determine which enters and exits the cell.
Waxes. Waxes can be formed from an ester chain of alcohol and one fatty acid. The alcohol may contain from 12 to 32 carbon atoms. Waxes can be found in nature, in plants, animals, and even in small insects such as bees. You may see waxes from plants in the coatings of their leaves as an energy saver for them to not lose much water. And in animals, in wool and other animals as heat insulators. You may also find it in bees that they use to produce honey and cells for their offspring.
Steroids includes such well-known compounds as cholesterol, birth control pills, sex hormones, cortisones, and anabolic. Steroid hormones help control metabolism, inflammation, salt and water balance, development of sexual hormones, and the ability to withstand illness and injury.
Okay, what's up? It's time for bonus vlog. This is vlog review.
Were we able to identify what are biomolecules? Yes, they are molecules in living organisms. Some of these are proteins, nucleic acids, carbohydrates, and lipids. What are lipids? They are the biomolecules found in living organisms that help with energy saving, heat isolation, protection, and play a part in our cell membranes. How about the four types of lipids? They are the triglycerides, phospholipids, waxes, and steroids. The function of lipids are energy saving, a form of protection, it insulates heat, and plays a major role in cell membranes. Its importance, just like its functions, it helps us save energy, though not only in humans, but also in plants and animals, insulates heat from our body temperature, and helps us in concerning our food and bodybuilding. So okay, we finished the last part of our vlog. So now, we don't really know if we're going to put bloopers or anything. So I guess I'll just put this one statement. Since lipids can be considered as fats and oil, chicharon is fat. So, I can ask Yusuke, anong lipids yung magaling kumanta?
Sino kaya?
Chicharon, Guneta.
you.